Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a crochet top. This is going to be a quick and easy little project, so you just want to start by scrunching up your top. And I'm winging it with this one. I don't really know what I'm doing, but it has crochet and then it has regular fabric. So I thought if I scrunch all the regular fabric together and then the crochet stuff together, I can maybe get some type of a gradient effect. I wasn't sure if I wanted to dye it on the rack or if I wanted to use the over the sink strainer. And it looked like it was going to fit in the over the sink strainer, so I went with that. It just makes it really quick and easy because then you don't have to build up an ice barrier. And I got the strainers off of Amazon, and I do have a link for them down below in the description box along with everything else that I use for tie-dye, so make sure you check that out. And I also got this top off of Amazon, and I will put a link for it down below in the description box as well. I feel like I have it scrunched up pretty well, and for this particular shirt I'm going to be doing the dye over ice technique, so I'm using these clothespins to mark out the lines of my fabric. If you can see where it has like a line of the crochet, a line of the fabric, a line of crochet, and so on. And so this way I'll be able to see where to place my dye once I have the ice on top of the shirt. Some of the ice has dye on it from another project, and that's not good. So a lot of times you'll see me stick my hands right in the bag of ice. It's probably not a good idea because you do get a lot of dye on your hands and you don't even realize it's happening, and then it ends up inside your bag. When choosing my colors for this shirt, I wanted it to have a clean, beachy, soapy type feel, and I wanted to try to achieve a gradient effect. So where it's going from dark blue into a lighter blue into the green and then sort of into like green blues. So I don't know, we'll see if it happens. Once you get all the dye on your shirt, grab a mask and give your project a quick little sprinkle of soda ash, and then let it batch for 24 to 48 hours after the ice melts. It's been 48 hours since the ice is melted, and now it's time for the rinse out. So you want to start by using cold water to rinse away any soda ash that might still be reacting within the fabric, and then gradually increase your water up to hot and rinse until the water runs pretty much clear. From here, I take it to the washing machine and I do a plain hot water cycle. I do a second hot water cycle using Curolon, and then I do a third hot water cycle using Millsoft to bring softness back into the fabric after the dyeing process. and then I put it in the dryer, and we'll come back and we'll see the results. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our crochet top after it's been washed and dried. And I'm really disappointed with the way that this shirt turned out. The dark spots that the sea glass has left behind, I find them to be very unattractive, and I'm super disappointed about it. I had really high hopes for this shirt. I thought it would turn out really cute. All of the colors looked really beautiful when they were wet with the ice, but after it's been washed and dried here, as you can see, it looks terrible. So what do you guys think? Please leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.